already know, I love Numicon. Like, not only does it give you a great excuse to build towers in class, but it's also great for some active learning. And when I say active, I mean active. Usually I'd get my kids to play this game outside. But we live in Scotland, it's about 5 o'clock and it's far too chilly for that, so I'm going to show you it inside the classroom. So, your team would line up with a load of Numicon, and at the other end of the playground or whatever, there would be a target with a number. One at a time, each player would take a piece of Numicon, run up to the target, pop it down, and then run back to their team, telling them what number they'd put down. And one by one, the team would run up and put their bits of Numicon into the target, and you as the teacher watch, and when they've got to 24, you can congratulate them. However, there's much more to this game than that. There's lots of different strategies that you can discuss with the kids. For example, this is really messy and quite difficult to comprehend, especially if you're running up and down one at a time. However, if you start to discuss a number bonds to 10 with your kids, then it'll be much easier for them to keep track of how many bits of Numicon they have in their target. Now, of course, you can extend this game by making it a little bit more challenging with some mental maths. Like, the sky really is the limit with where you take it, challenge-wise. Rather than giving them a whole set of Numicon, you could just give them select pieces. Get a little bit of pupil voice in there as well and allow kids to lead their learning. I would usually do, after the first round, get the first team that won to then choose the number, and other members of the team would stand at each hoop checking to make sure that these teams are getting the right answer. Now, it might not be the right season for it, but hopefully after this is over, you can get your kids to go outside and have a wee Numicon race.